Okay, hello guys. So today I'm just gonna share you on how to quickly export folders or groups that you have in your Photoshops. So for this example, this is my files. As you can see, there's different kinds of layers and folders for different kinds of skins. I have developed a quick script for this. It's gonna detect all the main folder that you have here. So for example, if you just want to export all of this in under the skin, I would just first in your working file, I just delete this for now, and then pull all of these subfolders to become the main folders. So the script will detect all of these main folders that I have here. So I will export all of this. Now we go to files, and under scripts I have installed the script I have. I'm gonna teach you on how to install it in just a minute, but for now just go to scripts and click on folder export. When you click it, it's gonna give a new pop-up like this. You can choose the format that you want. For now I have PNG, JPEG and GIF, and there's an option to include the alpha layer as well. So you can click exports, and then you choose where do you want to export this. So for this example, all these folders I have are a category called skin. So for my management purposes, I'm just going to create a new folder, call it skin, and select folders. So right now the script is working. If you go to the folders that you selected, let's give a minute for it to work. So it goes through all the folders that you have now. It's gonna export it one by one. So if you go to the folders, you can see that it is exporting right now. It's still working. So when it exports, it's gonna pop up and show you all that it has made, and there's the export completed notification. So that's basically how it works. Now I'm going to show you on how to install it. Under this video, I'm going to include a link to the Google Drive where you can download it. So for now, this is the Google Drive. Just click downloads and put it where you want to save it. I'm going to put it here in my downloads folder. Click save, and then let's go to find it. Okay, so for now this is the script that I have downloaded just now. So let's just copy it and go to your Adobe directory where you save it. For me, it's under programs, Adobe. I'm using Photoshop 2024, and go to presets and go to scripts, and just paste it here. Since I already have it right now, so override it. So now you just need to restart your Photoshop, and then the script should appear under here. So I hope that helps, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much for your support, and enjoy. Thank you.